Assalamualaikum, I'm ZAHIRA.
Hi, I'm SITI ATIQAH binti RASHID.
Hi, my name is Puteri ZULAIKHA.
This video will talk about our evaluation of PUBG game based from the heuristic evaluation principles. Firstly, in terms of visibility and system status, PUBG will always inform player about the enemy when enemy near players in the map.
Enemy!
It will also display players live on the interface so that the player can heal and avoid them from die. PUBG will also notify player to update the game. Secondly, in terms if match between system and the real world, PUBG provided option to the player to choose their own language so that the player can communicate with other player when playing game online. PUBG also use word, phrases and concept that is familiar to the player.
Help! Let's go!
Thirdly, user control and freedom. In the game, there is a red zone where player need to avoid it so that the player won't be knocked down. There's a given time where the zone becomes smaller that is called safe zone, so player must stay in the safe zone in order to maintain their lifeline.
Next, consistency and standard. When player first time playing, the game will give a tutorial on how to play, so player will not having any confusion on what to do since there is a guide. Other than that, help user recognize, diagnose and recovers from errors. PUBG will notify player if there is any problem with player's connection, so PUBG will ask player to refresh the game. If player enter a wrong email or password, it will let user know that player has entered a wrong username and password. Player need to re-enter the game again. Next, error prevention. Player can report the problem after playing the game, so the developer of this game improve the game on the next update. For recognition and recall, PUBG has map where player do not need to remember on how to go from one place to another place, since map is always displayed on the top right on the game interface.
Next is flexibility and efficiency of use. The game requires player to learn about the keyboard shortcut because not every function will be displayed on the interface. Thus, for the novice player, they need to discover by themselves. For aesthetic and minimalist design, this game has a minimalist design because it only displays useful and relevant information on the play screen. However, player can still customize the control panel if they want to. This game is also aesthetic because it is interesting to look at and also understandable. It can attract players' attention while playing the game. Lastly, help and documentation. PUBG provided information for the player's problems such as problem to log in or things that player does not understand about the game system. That's all for our presentation. Thank you.